How to fix Instagram video selfie verification error. So first and foremost, all you have to do is to, of course, update your Instagram application. And to do that, you have to go to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what device you have there, and just type Instagram. Now here, if you'll see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. It's very important for you to update your application. That is because it's a newer version and you can only access its new feature once you update the application. So make sure to update your application from time to time to be updated, and of course to fix some bugs there on your application. Now the next thing that you want to do, if it still doesn't work, is to go to your settings here and scroll down up until you see general, and go to iPhone storage and scroll down up until you see Instagram. Now here on Instagram, just have to offload the application, confirm to off, and then reinstall the application. And just wait for it to load. Now, if it still doesn't work that way, then what you can do for the last thing is to just uninstall the application. The last option that you have there is to just uninstall the application and then reinstall it again to your App Store. And basically that is how you fix Instagram video selfie verification error. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.